When it comes to minimalist design, especially on wristwatches, things can get very sterile very fast. But with the Jung J43C-01 chronograph, it's bold, it's kind of squared off, a bit sporty, think like oversized Cartier Santos. It definitely has minimalist design, but it's definitely not minimal in its wrist presence. Let's tell the time. It is 3:38 p.m. Let's get down to business. So this thing's not shy on the wrist. It's 316L stainless steel. It's got a 43mm across measurement, and it's 49mm lug to lug, 13mm thick, and it weighs in at 124 grams. Now, it's kind of square, I would say. Again, very Cartier Santos. It's got recessed screws, it's got brushed finishing and mirrored polish, so you're getting dual finishing and an overall industrial look. But what makes this really stand out, I would say, is the overall blend in minimalist design, guilloche grooves, and a very nice simple contrast. Now, you get a splash of color with the orange handset. Again, you get that guilloche groove dial. You get an offset date window that I think actually works in this case. And you get very easy time telling. It's not super busy, even though it does have a lot on the dial. Now, this is coated with Super Luminova BGW9 on the handset, and you're getting some pips that glow green, so you're getting a nice dual lume. And I don't know, I feel like this watch is perhaps something that I would wear even though I don't really like modern minimalism. You guys can comment down below what you think about this, but I actually really enjoy it. Now, under the hood, this thing's got a Miyota 6S20 quartz chronograph movement. It's Japanese, it's reliable, it's accurate, and it is something that has no soul according to the quartz haters out there. And I'm sure with that 13mm thickness and the overall oversized design, people are going to complain that there isn't something mechanical. On the wrist, you know, I would say it is very wearable on me. I'm a big dude. I got just over 7.5-inch wrists, and it is a very comfortable watch. But if you're thinking that this is just going to be your everyday sports watch and you can do whatever you want with it, I would tell you to hold off a little bit. This thing's got a 5 atmosphere water resistance rating, so yeah, you could probably wear it in some rain, but I definitely wouldn't go swimming in it. So is it a good buy, or would I tell this thing goodbye? Well, it's bold, it's definitely modern, it's maybe a bit minimalist, but still very appealing to my eye. And if you're looking for something solid and good for every day, for under $500, this is a really good option for those chronograph lovers out there that want something different. But let me know what you think. Is this too minimal? Is it too busy? Do you like it? Are you upset that it's not mechanical? I want to hear from you, and I'm sure Jung would want to hear from you in the comment section below. Alright guys, I will catch you on the next one. Stay happy, stay healthy, stay blessed. I'm Dory Goodman, the Time Teller, and always remember, I didn't invent time, I just tell it.